see, don't worry about the alphabet and all of them. How much do you have to shake a Coca-Cola diet bottle? Sponsored. To open. Shake up. See how much you can explode. That's what we're gonna see. Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh. That did some stuff. Let's throw it up. Oh. Just throw it up, try to get it. Boom. That thing bounces. You can see it's like so pressurized. It's like hard as ice. Hard as metal. I'm gonna get away when I press stuff. Sorry. It took forever to get this. Shoes. Cups. Like the video and subscribe if you're a Cubs fan, and comment below what your favorite baseball team. Whoop! 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 Okay. Time to see what happens if you open it. I'm gonna put this on the ground down here. Right here. Oh, I think that's like that's literally the whole bottle. It's literally up to here now. It's literally the whole bottle. And it got all the way to right here. Almost done. Well, now we know. Don't forget to like and subscribe.